Shauna Gass.
I'm Nelligan Letourneau.
I was self-taught. Were you self-taught?
I was.
Yeah. So it was like pretty simple, and then as you get going, you can get more complicated and like start making bigger and like better things, and you kind of like surprise yourself with what you can learn with it. And also having like a finished product at the end of like an hour, it just feels like you accomplished something kind of quickly, so it's nice to have the finished product at the end.
This is my butterfly patch, which is quite big, so I don't know if patch is even the right word, but it's like a ongoing project, I guess. And I've been a butterfly since the summer, and then I broke my foot, so I was a broken butterfly, and I've been kind of working with this imagery for the past, I don't know, how long has it been, like 6 months?
For this one, I recycled an old t-shirt it was actually like a peace sign, and I just like cut it up and made a little skateboard out of felt and just kind of like went from there. But this was like the start, and if I have any spare time, like it's easy to do patches anywhere. This isn't all of mine, I forgot some.